Hey guys, hi, hello, namaste, adabar, sat sri akal, assalamu alaikum, vanakkam and khamma gani to all of you. Welcome to today's class guys, and today is your Prodigy series for CBSE 10 and the topic is polynomials. Now we have already completed all the subtopics of the topic polynomials, that is graphical meaning of the zeros of a polynomial, then relationship between the coefficients and the zeros of a linear polynomial and a quadratic polynomial, and then we have learned about division algorithm as well. All right, and in the last question we have done some case study based questions as well. All right, so this session, the today's class, is about polynomials one shot. So we'll be revising everything and then solve some amazing questions. All right, so let us start the class. All right, so the first thing, let us summarize the whole session first. So first thing, I have told you graphical meaning of the zeros of a polynomial means that suppose if I draw a graph, I have told you that sir, if I will draw the graph, so in a graph, wherever the graph of the polynomial will intersect the x-axis, wherever it will intersect the x-axis, those will be the zeros of the polynomial, because on x-axis I put the values of x and on y-axis I put the value of the polynomial. Alright, so the 0 means those value of x for which value of the polynomial is 0. That means y is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0 on x-axis. Alright, y is equal to 0 on x-axis. That is why we take the intersection point with x-axis. Many students ask this question, that is why explaining this. And at these points, so I can say it has 3 zeros. And what will be those zeros? So at these points, whatever is the x coordinates, those will be the values of zeros. Those will be the values of zeros. All right, then graph of a linear polynomial, we know beta, is a straight line. All right, it is a straight line. And then graph of a quadratic polynomial is a parabola. It is a parabola. The standard form for the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c. Now in case of parabola, I have told you three cases. In case of parabola, I have told you three cases. One is when you get two different zeros, one over here, another over here. The second case, when you have only one zero, the graph is just touching the x-axis. And the last one where the graph does not touch x-axis at all, so no zeros. So here no zeros, here only one zero, and here two distinct zeros, two different zeros you get. All right, so these are the three cases. So remember, if a polynomial is of degree n, px if is a polynomial of degree n, then remember this px can have maximum n zeros. Number of zeros, maximum number of zeros will be n. So if I have a polynomial of degree 10, maximum 10 zeros it can have. So quadratic polynomial is of degree 2, so maximum 2 zeros it can have. It can have maximum 2 zeros. Alright, ठीक है बेटा. Now next thing is relationship between zeros and coefficient of a polynomial. So here the most important thing I have told you, that if I have a polynomial ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, and it has suppose two zeros, the zeros are alpha and beta. So another form, the form of this quadratic equation in the form of its zeros will be x square minus of alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equal to 0. This is the polynomial form which we need to remember. And also we have learned that alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a, and alpha into beta is equal to c upon a. Please do not forget the sign minus b by a. Negative is over here, minus b upon a. B is the coefficient of x, a is the coefficient of x square, and c is your constant terms. Alright, ठीक है बेटा. So this is all we have learned. We have learned these formulas already. Then cubic polynomial is there, but it is not in your syllabus. Alright, so no need to go through all this, although it is present in NCERT but not in your syllabus. Then division algorithm beta, I have told you that dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So if I divide a polynomial px with say a polynomial gx, and you got your quotient as qx and your remainder is rx, so we can clearly say px is equal to gx into qx plus rx, where remember degree of rx must be less than the degree of gx. Either the remainder is 0, or if it is not 0, in that case degree of the remainder will be less than the degree of the divisor. This is your division algorithm, and we know how to find out the zeros of a polynomial or the remaining factors of a polynomial with division algorithm, which we have done in the previous session. Alright, now let's solve some questions. First one, the graph of y is equal to px is given in the figure below. Find the number of zeros. So here beta, I can see this graph is intersecting x-axis at 2 points. So I can say it will have 2 zeros. Yes, here, sir, 1, 2, 3. So here it will have 3 zeros, as simple as that. Intersection point with x-axis we need to look. Alright, okay, so first one 2 zeros, next one 3 zeros. Alright, next question. Find the quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 2 and minus 6. Alright, so I can say one of the zeros is given as 2, other zero is minus 6. So I can take alpha as 2 and beta as minus 6. So what will be my zeros, or what will be my quadratic polynomial? So I can say my required polynomial will be x square minus of alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. So x square minus of 2 plus minus 6 into x plus 2 into minus 6. So you'll be getting x square 2 plus minus 6. So 2 minus 6 is minus 4. Minus into minus is plus. So x square plus 4x. 2 into minus 6 is minus 12. Minus 12. This will be my required polynomial. This will be my required polynomial. And now when we verify the relationship, you will be able to verify that alpha plus beta is 2 plus minus 6, which is minus 4. And here if I do minus b upon a, so minus of 4 by 1 is again minus 4. And alpha into beta, 2 into minus 6 is minus 12. And here you will get c by a, so minus 12 by 1 is again minus 12. So it will be verified. Verified, easy. Okay, easy question here. Next question देखो. This is a very good question. Awesome question. Very good question. It is very important. What it is saying, alpha and beta are the zeros of this quadratic polynomial. Fx is equal to x square minus 4x plus 3. So we have a polynomial fx, f of x is equal to x square minus 4x plus 3, and it has two zeros. One is alpha, one is beta. Alright, and we want to find out this value. अब बेटा देखो, from the relationship between the zeros and coefficients, relationship between the zeros and coefficients of a polynomial, we know alpha plus beta will be equal to minus b upon a. So minus of b is coefficient of x, which is minus 4, upon a is 1, negative into negative is positive, so 4. And alpha into beta will be equal to c upon a, which is equal to 3. Now I need to find out the value of alpha raised to the power 4 into b cube. Listen very carefully. Alpha raised to the power 4 into beta cube plus alpha cube into beta raised to the power 4. Now what many students will do, they might find out let's say the values of alpha and beta and then solve it further. Alright, okay. But sometimes the quadratic equation is given to you in such a way where the roots are very like irrational type. The roots are irrational. So in that case, finding out the value of alpha and beta and then doing power 4 and power 3 will be very difficult. Suppose if I change the simple value, if I make it say x square minus 5x plus 3, then finding out the value of alpha and beta will be very difficult. You would have to use quadratic formula. You will get irrational roots. Taking irrational roots, their power 4, that method will not work. So let me tell you that method which will definitely work. Always, whenever something in alpha and beta we need to find out, try to get that in the form of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. Yes, so here beta, I can see alpha raised to the power 4 and alpha cube. So I can say alpha cube can be taken common, and here beta cube and beta raised to the power 4, so beta cube also can be taken common. So here beta cube is already taken common, alpha cube is taken common, here I am left with alpha, and alpha cube is common, here I am left with beta, right? Now alpha cube into beta cube, I can write it as alpha into beta whole cube, yes or no? Same thing, if product has some power, power can be taken common in multiplication and division, alright, multiplied with alpha plus beta. Ab beta dekho, I know alpha into beta is 3, so write it 3 cube into alpha plus beta is 4. So 3 cube is 27 into 4. So 27 into 4 will be equal to 108. Alright, so your correct answer over here will be 108. Alright, so I have taught you, this is in the second session also, that something in alpha and beta comes, try to get that value from alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. So try to convert them in the form of alpha plus beta and alpha beta. Alright, ठीक है बच्चों, next question. Divide the polynomial px by the polynomial gx and find the quotient and remainder. So here I have to do the simple division. Alright, so px divided by gx. So gx is x square plus 1 minus x, and this is divided by x raised to the power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. You can see over here x cube term is missing. Alright, let me do one thing. Small, let me write it in the proper order. X square minus x plus 1. It is better to arrange the given polynomial in the decreasing power of x. Becomes easy. So we have x square, we need to create x raised to the power 4 multiply with x square. X square into x square is x raised to the power 4. X square into minus x is minus x cube. X square into 1 is plus x square. Now x square term is not present. X square term is not present in this polynomial. So I will write x square term separately. Or you can write 0 into x square below that, but no need to do, we can directly write it over here as well. Alright, now let us change the signs. So it is minus, it will become plus, it will become minus. This got cancelled. Now plus minus 3x square. Sorry. No, yaar, I have made a mistake. The mistake is I thought it was x cube. Mistake is I thought it was x cube. Alright, no problem, we do it. So x raised to the power 4. X square into minus x is minus x cube. Let us write it separately. X square into 1 is plus x square. Now we are all correct. Alright, okay. I know you must be telling me in the chat, sir, mistake. So thank you for that. Minus and plus. Clear? This got cancelled. Now see beta, I have told you try to arrange that in the increasing order. So plus x cube is the highest power. So write x cube over here. Minus 3x square minus x square is minus 4x square plus 4x plus 5. How to create x cube from x square? So multiply with x. So x cube, x into minus x is minus x square, x into 1 is plus x. Alright, let us do the subtraction now. Let us do the subtraction now. So I have minus, I have plus, and here also I have minus. This got cancelled. Minus 4x square plus x square is minus 3x square, plus 4x minus x is minus plus 3x, and here we have plus 5. How do I create minus 3x square from x squares or multiply with minus 3? So minus 3x square, minus 3 into minus x is plus 3x, negative into negative is positive, and minus 1 into 1 into minus 3 is minus 3. Alright, again I will change the signs. It will become plus, minus, plus. This got cancelled. This got cancelled. 5 plus 3 is 8. Now degree of divisor is 2. Degree of the remainder is 0. Degree is less. We cannot solve it further. Alright. So I can say, sir, the quotient is x square plus x minus 3 and the remainder is 8. Constant remainder. Alright. ठीक है बच्चों. Alright. So this is how this question will be done. Simple division, yeah, nothing else. Okay. अब चलो. Very good question. Amazing question. Awesome question. Many students get afraid of these kind of questions only by looking at the square root. But there is no need to be afraid. Look. Obtain all other zeros of this polynomial if two of its zeros are root 5 by 3 and minus of root 5 by 3. If you remember, in the last session we have done similar type of question where I have given you a degree 4 polynomial. I have given you two of its zeros. If not, please rewatch the previous session. So we have done that type of question. So I know from these two polynomials I'll get to know about two factors. those two factors, if I have got the other remaining two factors, I have to find out. For that I will do the division. All right, so let's say this is a polynomial px for me. So I know this polynomial px will have 4 factors because its degree is 4. Now if I look at its zeros are x is equal to root 5 by 3, and here x is equal to minus of root 5 by 3. So what will be its factors? Its factors will be shifted over here, x minus root 5 by 3, and here the factor will be minus will become plus root 5 by 3. So I know out of these 4 factors, one is x minus root 5 by 3 and other is x plus root 5 by 3. Multiply them. So px will be equal to, now see here, it is a minus b into a plus b. We know a minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. So it will be x square minus root 5 by 3 whole square is 5 by 3 only. It will be 5 by 3 only. And then we have remaining 2 factors over here as well. Now let's take LCM. So px is shifted, take LCM, 3x square minus 5 whole divided by 3 into this and into this. Alright beta, now this 3 I can take outside the bracket. So I'll write it over here. So now I can write px is equal to 1 by 3 times of 3x square minus 5 into something into something. Clear? Yes or no? Correct now beta. So I have to now find out the remaining 2 factors. I have to find out now the remaining 2 factors. ठीक है? अब देखो बेटा, we can either take this 1 by 3 leave over here. Alright, we can leave this 1 by 3. देखो, if I will do the factorization, 1 by 3 I have taken common, so what? There is no issue in that. Alright, so I can say px divided by 3x square minus 5 will be equal to 1 by 3 times of the remaining 2 factors. Alright, I have to find out the other zeros. Now the other zeros I will get from here. 1 by 3 is constant. Anything, if I multiply a polynomial with any constant number, it does not change its zeros. And remember, we write k times of x square minus of alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. Because multiplying with the coefficient does not change its zeros. So the remaining 2 zeros I will get by dividing this polynomial px by 3x square minus 5. Alright. So let us divide this polynomial. 3x raised to the power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 with x square, sorry, 3x square minus 5. 3x square minus 5. If you want, chalo, let's continue this only. Alright, or we can continue with x square minus 5 by 3. Let's do it. This is better. 3x square we need to create from 3. We need to create 3x raised to the power 4. So multiply it with x square. X square into 3x square is 3x raised to the power 4, and x square into minus 5 is minus 5x square. Minus 5x square. Let us do the subtraction now. So if I will do the subtraction, I will get this is minus. I will say this is plus. This got cancelled. Now we have 6x cube plus 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is plus 3x square minus 10x minus 5. How do I create 6x cube from 3x square? So simple. Multiply with 2x. 2 into 3 is 6. X square into x is x cube. So 6x cube, and 2x into minus 5 is minus 10x. Yes sir. Minus, let us do the subtraction over here. So it will become minus, it will become plus. This got cancelled, this got cancelled. We are left with 3x square minus 5. How do I create 3x square from 3x square? Nothing, so no need to anything. Multiply with 1. 3x square, 1 into minus 5 is minus 5. Let us change the signs. So if I will change the sign, minus plus both got cancelled. At the end my remainder is 0. At the end my remainder is 0. So finally I have got remaining two factors I will get from this, x square plus 2x plus 1. Factorize this. So it will be x square, two numbers such that addition is 2, multiplication is 1, 1 and 1. So x square plus x plus 1, or directly you can see it is nothing but expansion of x plus 1 whole square. Alright, so take x common, x plus 1. Here also we have x plus 1 common. So it will be nothing but x plus 1 into x plus 1. So the remaining two factors beta which we need to find out, they are same factors. Alright, the remaining two factors are x plus 1 into x plus 1. So the remaining two zeros, by from here we know the zeros. Here it is root 5 by 3. Here it is for minus of root 5 by 3. From here x is equal to minus 1, here minus 1. So two zeros are same here. The remaining two zeros are exactly same. So I can say factorization of this polynomial px. Factorization of this polynomial px, we have got it as 1 by 3 times of 3x square minus 5. Ab dekho, either you can write 1 by 3 times of 3x square minus 5, or since I am doing factorization, let us write it in the most basic form, which will be x minus root 5 by 3 into x plus root 5 by 3. Multiplication of this two is 1 by 3 times of 3x square minus 5 into x plus 1 into x plus 1. This will be the factorization. So see how much like difference did it make? It does not. Alright, by 3 which was there in the denominator, we took it common. Alright, ठीक है बेटा. So this is how this question will be solved. The last two factors are exactly same. Alright, chalo, before I move ahead later, let me tell you about Vedantu's Pro subscription. So first thing, as you all know, during this time, it is very important for you to be at home, and during this time you should not compromise with your studies. So for that, Vedantu Pro subscription is a very good option for all of you. And in this subscription beta, first thing you'll be at your comfort of your house, no need to go anywhere, and we will be covering your whole syllabus along with revision. So I'll tell you all the features of Vedantu's Pro courses, plus one important thing, which is Vedantu's improvement promise. What do we say in this Vedantu's improvement promise beta? We say a very simple thing. We take guarantee. We say guaranteed improvement. We take the guarantee of your improvement in marks. We take the guarantee of your improvement in marks. Are you understanding the meaning of guarantee? It's a very big word. Guarantee means that suppose if you get on many products you get warranty. Suppose when you buy a laptop or mobile phone, you don't get guarantee, you get warranty. Alright, so they will just change the replace parts. They don't change your laptop or they don't change your phone. In guarantee beta, we have simple guarantee of your improvement. That means we are saying you will definitely improve in your marks, and if you do not improve, you can take the whole course fee back. You can take the whole course fee back after 1 year of studies. After you have studied with us for the 1 year, you are still not seeing improvement in your final marks, take the whole course fee back, no question asked. I'll tell you more in detail about Vedantu's improvement promise, so that you can understand that yes, online education is good for me. Alright, because no one will be giving such a big promise, no offline institute. So we are that much confident about it, and you will also be confident. I'll tell you everything in detail about Vedantu's Pro subscription and improvement promise. So first, let me talk about the features. You will get unlimited live classes. You'll be able to interact with the students from all parts of the world. Interactive replay, that means even while watching the recording of a class, you can attempt the quiz and see your name in the leaderboard. You'll get notes, tests, assignments, alright, doubt solving by a dedicated teacher in the class. Other than master teacher, there will be a separate teacher to take care of your doubts, and those are well-trained teachers in their subject knowledge. They are exceptional, and they will take care of each and every doubt of yours. Alright, now other than that, if you join anywhere else, it will be like you will be completing your course only once. if possible syllabus ones, but at Vedantu you have unlimited micro courses. That means you can study a chapter as many times as you want. You can study or you can revise any topic whenever you want, or you can revise the whole syllabus with the free crash courses that whatever times you want, you can do all that. All right, so these are the features. Remember, less price, more classes. The link is mentioned in the description box of this video as well as in the pinned comment. The coupon code is GPE Pro. You just apply GPE Pro and you will get 10% off. All right, at the end of the class I'll tell you everything about the fee structure and about Vedantu's improvement promise. Let's learn this question. What this question is saying: violin music notes. The popular violinist Abhijit P.S. Nair plays a note whose fundamental frequency is 220 Hz. The sound of waves of note follows a path as shown in the figure. So this is the path followed by that wave. All right, so main thing for us is the figure represents a polynomial. All right, gx is equal to px into qx, where px and qx are polynomials of degree 3 and 2 respectively. Okay, we have to remember this thing. Gx is equal to px into qx, where p is polynomial of degree p of x is polynomial of degree 3, q of x is polynomial of degree 2. All right, understood? So all questions will be solved from this in this context. All the questions will be solved in this context. First one, find the zeros of this given polynomial, this polynomial. So I can say, sir, 1 0 over here, another 0 over here, one more 0 over here, one more 0 over here, and one more 0 over here. All right, so I can say, sir, 0 1 2 3 4. 0 1 2 3 4. Option B is your correct answer. All right, option B is your correct answer. Intersection with x-axis we need to look. We need to look at intersection with x-axis. Okay. Next, if the polynomial px has zeros 0 1 and 3, find the polynomial. So beta, we know px is a polynomial of degree 3. Degree 3 means cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. So its zeros are given. Zeros are what, beta? X is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, and x is equal to 3. So what will be the factors? Factors will be x minus 0, x plus 0 is x only, x minus 1 and x minus 3. So I can say this polynomial is nothing but multiplication of its factors. So x into x minus 1 into x minus 3. Let's multiply x minus 1 into x minus 3. So x into x minus 1 into x minus 3 will be equal to x square minus minus 3x is minus 4x plus 3. All right, let's multiply this with x. So we have we'll get our px as x into x square is x cube minus 4x square plus 3x. This is my polynomial, x cube minus 4x square plus 3x. So option A is my correct answer. X cube minus 4x square plus 3x. Option A will be my correct answer. Simple, yeah. Fact, zeros are given. I have found out the factors from them, and I know the polynomial is multiplication of all the three factors. Got my polynomial. Next, qx. So we know qx according to the question was a polynomial of degree 2. So it has zeros 2 and 4. What is the polynomial? Ab dekho, let us do it in the different way. I know for a quadratic polynomial, I can write it as x square minus of alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. Yes or no? Here the zeros are alpha is equal to 2 and beta is equal to 4. You can also do it by multiplying the factors, but I am doing with this method. So you have got x square minus of 2 plus 4 into x plus 2 into 4. So you have got x square minus 6x plus 8. So option C will be your correct answer, x square minus 6x plus 8. Alright, next question. If the polynomial px is divided by x minus 2, then the remainder is. So what is our polynomial px, beta? We have just found out. It is x cube minus 4x square plus 3x. Alright, so I know polynomial px is x cube minus 4x square plus 3x. This I need to divide by x minus 2. So let us divide it by x minus 2. Yes, so we have x cube minus 4x square plus 3x, and we have to find out the remainder. So let's multiply it with x minus 2. If I multiply beta, first thing, how do I create x cube from x? Multiply with x square. X square into x is x cube. X square into minus 2 is minus 2x square. Alright, let us change the signs. So here it will come minus, here it will become plus. This got cancelled. Minus 4x square plus 2x square is minus 2x square plus 3x. How do I create minus 2x square from x? So multiply with minus 2x. So minus 2x into x is minus 2x square. Minus 2x into minus 2. Negative into negative is positive, and it is 4x. Alright. Then again, let's change the sign one more time. So it will become plus. It will become minus. This got cancelled again. 3x minus 4x is minus x. How do I create minus x from x or multiply with minus 1? So minus 1 into x is minus x. Minus 1 into minus 2 is plus 2. Alright. Let us change the signs. Let us change the signs. So here it will become plus, here it will become minus. This got cancelled. At the answer, your remainder is minus 2. Your remainder is minus 2. That means option D is your correct answer. Alright. Option D is your correct answer. That is minus 2. Dekh lo beta, questions are very easy. Just keep the question in the mind and then keep solving it. Then alpha and beta are the zeros of qx. What was our qx? What was the polynomial qx? Qx was this, x square minus 6x plus 8. Yes or no? Alright. So we have qx as x square minus 6x plus 8. And they are asking me to find out the values of alpha square beta plus alpha beta square. Ab beta dekho, in the previous question, it is already given its zeros are 2 and 4. Its zeros are 2 and 4. So let's say we know 1 0, alpha is equal to 2 and beta is equal to 4. Alright, अब देखो, one method is putting the value of alpha as 2 and beta as 4. Other method, which is like the sophisticated way, when we don't know alpha and beta, so I can say beta alpha plus beta will be equal to minus of b upon a from here, which is 6, and alpha into beta is c upon a, which is 8. Here, if you will see, I can take alpha into beta common. So here I am left with alpha, here I am left with beta. Alpha into beta is 8, alpha plus beta is 6, 8 6 are 48. Alright. So option A will be your correct answer, 48, as simple as that. Option A is your correct answer. Okay, beta. So these are all the important questions I have taken the case study based questions also from this topic as well. Now, as I was talking about Vedantu's Pro subscription beta, so when you'll go to the link provided in the description box of this video, you'll be taken to this page. So here you will get three options: Pro Lite. You can either choose Pro Lite or Pro Classic or Pro Plus. So if you take Pro Lite beta, you have an option to either try this course for 1 month, which is the price given over here, or you can take the whole complete course at this price. Remember, when you're taking the complete course, please don't forget to apply the coupon code over here as GPE Pro. GPE Pro. Alright. And when you are taking the whole course, EMI option is also available for you. Alright. So the features in this, basic features: live classes, test series and analysis, doubt solving during the classes, and notes and study material. Alright, then comes Pro Classic. So Pro Classic has extra feature which is not present in Pro Lite, which is doubt solving on mobile app. So doubt solving on mobile app means even after the class you can ask your doubts in the doubts app and you will get the solution for it. Alright, the price, you can also try it for 1 month and take the whole course for the whole year together. Then comes Pro Plus. So Pro Plus has the feature of Pro Lite plus the extra feature of Pro Classic, which is doubt solving app, plus one more extra feature which is not present in Pro Lite as well as Pro Classic. So Pro Plus has one unique feature which is personal mentor. So personal mentor will be like your, say, your teacher who will take care of your doubts, be it academic, non-academic. You can think of them as your coach, guide, supporter, motivator. Any role you require, they will be there. They will be helping you a lot in your studies, and they'll make sure that you do progress in your marks and you achieve your goal. Alright, So these are the prices, and here don't forget to apply the coupon code. When you'll apply a coupon code, you'll get 10% off. But remember, these are the prices for not, these are not just the prices for say covering your syllabus once. You can study or you can complete your syllabus as many times as possible in these prices, because micro courses are also there. So you can attend as many micro courses as you want. All right. And then comes the part Vedantu improvement promise. So Vedantu improvement promise, beta, I have told you already that we take the guarantee and full ownership of your studies. We guarantee your improvement. And if you do not show any improvement, take your whole course fee back. Only thing we want is you should be our long-term student. Then the next thing is you should have at least 75% of the attendance. 75% of the classes you must attend, and 75% of the test you must complete. All right, beta. Okay, so this is our promise, one unique promise. All right, so these are the batch starting date, and please don't forget to subscribe to the Vedantu Pro subscription. Very good course for all of you, and you can also try it for 1 month if you're new to online education. All right, so thank you so much, bachcho. This is all in today's class. I hope all of you understood the whole topic. So please don't forget to like the video, share the video with your friend, and subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Thank you so much for coming to the session, and I'll keep coming with the upcoming chapters and awesome questions we are going to solve. All right, thank you so much, guys. I'll see you soon in the next class. Till then, bye bye, sayonara, khuda hafiz to all of you. Bye bye.